Exercise 5.5, problem 7, discussion. Let's read the problem. If the straight line passes through the points h3 and 4,1, intercepts the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0 at the right angle, then find the value of h. The problem looks a little complicated, but we need to break it. Okay, so here is one breakpoint. The line passes through these two points. Right, that's it. So this part is over. Now you read this: intercepts the line at right angle. Right, this is another breakpoint. So there are two conditions. It passes through the points h3 and 4,4 and intercepts meets the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 at the right angle. Okay, so with these 2 points we can find the slope of the line, right? And you can find the slope of this line using this is 2-point form, and this is minus m equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. You can find the slope. But this straight line and this line are at right angles, correct? Are at right angle, right? Which means the slope of this line into slope of this line will be equal to minus 1. And equate it. So your slope you'll get in terms of h. This slope you'll get in terms of some number constant. Equate that, multiply it and equate it to minus 1. You'll get an equation in h. Solve that equation and get the value of h. This is how this problem needs to be worked out. So apart from underlining what is given in the problem, you should know how to break this problem. Okay, say if you read it totally, it will be very confusing. Now if you read this in 3 parts, that is, this is one part, and from here intercepts to angle is another part, and then this is another part. If you read it 3 different parts, then it becomes much easier. So here they say the line passes through these 2 points. Then here they say it intercepts this line at right angles. Then we are asked to find the value of h. So please learn that technique of breaking the problem into parts and understanding it clearly. Okay, so apart from underlining what is given, you should learn the art of breaking the problem into smaller parts. Okay, that's what is divide and rule policy. Okay, now let's see what's given in the problem. The points, 2 points are given and the equation is given, and it's missed out. We should write that lines are perpendicular. Okay, please write it yourself. Then we are asked to calculate h. A hint: when the lines are perpendicular, product of their slope m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So this is the principle on which we will be working. Right. The formula is slope of when you have 2 points is given by the 2-point form, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and slope when the equation is given in the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, and m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, the product of the slopes equal to minus 1. Right, step 1. Calculate the slope m1 by substituting points a, h3 and b, 4,1 in m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Right, so you have these 2 points. Substitute this here and you'll be able to get the slope, which is m1. Right. Next, using m equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, and calculate slope m2 of the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0. So use this formula in this equation. You get this slope, that is m2. Then m1 and m2 equal to minus 1. So equate m1 m2 to minus 1 and solve for h. Okay, so this is how this problem needs to be worked out. So please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, so let the points be a, h3 and b, 4,1. Slope of the line joining the 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So slope of AB is y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3 divided by 4 minus h. So that is equal to minus 2 by 4 minus h. Okay, so or this you can rewrite it as 2 by h minus 4, whichever way you want to do, because you're multiplying both the numerator and denominator by minus 1. Right. Slope of the other line is a in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So slope of this line is minus coefficient of x, the coefficient of x is 7, so minus coefficient of x is minus 7, divided by coefficient of y is minus 9, so minus 7 divided by minus 9, that is 7 by 9. So this 7 by 9 into this slope 2 by h minus 4 equal to minus 1. So that's a condition for perpendicularity. So 2 into h minus 4 into 7 by 9 equal to minus 1. So which means 7 2s are 14, 14 divided by 9 into h minus 4 equal to minus 1. Right? On cross multiplying, you will get 14 equal to 9 into h minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 9 into h minus 4. So this will become minus 9h plus 36, okay, equal to 14, or 9h will be equal to 36 minus 14, that is 22, or h will be equal to 22 by 9. The value of h is 22 by 9, for which the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let's recap it one more time. So basically, using these 2 points and the 2-point form, you are getting the slope of the straight line, right? Then using this equation, you are getting the slope of the line using this formula, m equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. You have two slopes and these two lines are perpendicular to each other, right? So this into this will be equal to minus 1. Okay, using that, you are getting this equation in h. Solve this equation in h to get the value of h. Okay, that's all it is. So I hope I made this problem easy for you. If not, please take one more look at the video. Okay, thanks for watching this video.